Dumelang Sanbanani, Khanya, Lesedi Thokozani, Love and Light, O Gang, Stoners United, Queer Gang, Conscious Gang, Knowledge Seekers. Dumelang, welcome everybody. But yeah, it's a short one today. I have a cute little winter clock. So it's not a very angry winter clock, but it's a what? For real winter clock? So it's a friendly, it's a kind winter clock, but I am painting. So yeah, I had a pretty decent weekend, I guess, and yeah, decent in that I saw people that I don't see on the regular. I got to show people I don't show on the regular because I feel now during hibernation my friends cry. I'm like, oh, yeah, like time whatever. But yeah, I don't go out a lot when it's like hibernation. But anyway, this is not going out. So Mawani, we had a funeral that we attended, and yeah, I got to see people I haven't seen in the longest or chill with them in the longest. And then so from funeral, we get to the house here. So in South Africa, we have this thing where when you come from a funeral, so it started in South Africa, in black families mostly, there's water. So they put water by the gates, about just before you eat, water by the gates to cleanse off yourself from the mkoka and the energies from the cemetery. Yeah, so I extra chakra, so I do my hands, I do my feet, I do my crown chakra. Alright, so somebody comes up to me, it's like, hey, extra vele, but these are my portals where I feel like, it's, yeah, energy exchange is very easy there. But anyway, this person comes up to me and, yeah, apparently, founder, yeah, a movement or a co-founder of some movement. I'm like, what? Y'all think that highly of me, So, and yeah, but this is, so I'm giggling because this is like me founding, I guess, this movement would be me like rebelling or me wanting to counter. I don't have energy. I just smoke myself. Like, I just want to chill. I get an energy of fighting or countering people or I want to show you. No, I do not have that. Like, once you are, like, I don't, yeah, once I'm done with things, like, I do not have the energy. I don't invest the energy. I don't stalk you. I don't look at you. I don't, like, I'm done with things, so, but I was really proud of myself. What am I that much of a rebel, guys? But yeah, I'm not a founder of any movement. I don't think I'd see myself in any group activity of that sort, especially like in spiritual spaces. But I don't want to be in, I could be part of something, but I'm not gonna be, I don't want permanency, because I think I've realized that change is the only consistent thing in life. I don't want permanency in anything. I don't want responsibility of being part of an exec or whatever it is, because that's where, for me, because I'm so attached to things, and when I discover that something is not how I thought it would be, like, I get so sad, like, emotionally, like, and damaged. So I don't want to know, like, dirty secrets of people. I just, whatever it is that you're presenting this to be, can it be that, but once you are within and very close to a organization and part of the people that are doing the things, that's where it gets destroyed, right? So I know I do not want, but I will definitely be attending events, this movement that they're leading me to. I've attended one and sad that I missed the second one that they had, but I will definitely be attending such events. I'll definitely be attending one, as long as it's spiritual, as long as it's aligning with me and it's something that I want to feel, I will definitely be attending such, so I do not belong to anybody. I'm not, I'm not, nobody's entitled to me in that way where you want to control my movements and whatnot. I liberate my mind, I liberate my soul. I just want liberty in everything that I do. And the second one, which is, well, so apparently, Nagi Malcolm X, Ilona. Apparently, Malcolm X, and I am, on top of that, I don't mind being Malcolm X, a Mandela. But on top of that, Barana, he influenced a bad blind. I'm like, what? I could have done this a long time ago. I could have been like a bad influence. Yeah, they come out now with the guess if I was born in era and the guess very. So apparently, the bad influence, new people on things. And the wildest thing is, like, all these things that people are accusing me of, they come to me. Like the Ndabas, they come to me. The paintings, they come to me. I do not instigate things. I do not have an interest of instigating things. But if if I'm tasked with a responsibility to do something, I will definitely do something. And you know why? People don't like being called out. Nah, right now, I'm proud of the person I am right now. I will call you out on your BS, right? I will call you out on, like, if I really vibe, I'm not gonna keep quiet and be on some like offended and so when people see the side of me, like I'm a very nice person. That's the one thing I can describe about myself. I'm a very nice person. I'm very welcoming. I'm very sort of a whole of that. Yeah, space became a thing. But yeah, so as I was saying, so I'm a nice person. I'll be very welcoming. Like if you are new, maybe in a friend group or a chilling group, I'll be the person who makes sure who right or sharp or what do you need and whatnot. But do not come and wanna do kwasas here on my crown chakra. That is my entry point, and you're not gonna be dancing on my logo like this, And yeah, so apparently now I've been influencing people to rebel against the system. You can't say, but guys, like at times I do not rally people. I am enough to make a point with myself, but I'm not saying that collectively I need other people to do certain things, but I will not rally people to, like, I'm not an instigator. I don't plant ideas. And for me this is very offensive because you're literally saying, Hore, these adults and these people do not have brains. They cannot think for themselves. That's what you're saying. Or we're not respected as black individuals. Like Lena not IQ pointer on like if you are saying Hore somebody's being influenced or in, you literally saying Hore moto all the mental faculties are high, they're not proper. You literally disregarding this person's ability to use their own brain. No, and I do not associate, or I do not want to associate with people where you can't reason for yourself. You need an external push to do a certain thing. So that's it though. I think people just need to recognize no, at times it's common factor in this thing. There's nobody influencing your sheep, whatever it is, or whatever you feel, whatever condescendingly so you feel that people are doing, or how people are not thinking. That's very disrespectful, actually. But yeah, so those are the interesting things that I heard about me. How about you? Oh yeah, earlier on in the year, that's where I know I'm a giant. I know I'm very tall. I'm very tall for a Southern African woman. I'm tall for Zimbabwe. I'm tall for South Africa, but I'm those gentle giants. I'm those friendly giants. But yeah, somebody called me a bully. What? Like, I think people cannot fathom me having, not that I'm an asshole, but me standing up for myself. People have issues with me standing up for myself, so they want to attach certain labels to me, and I just, yeah, I think people are just genuinely condescending as people, like ranyatsana as people, where now because this person has always been nice, you think, this is character motto, or and I can like back and kwasa on top of their heads and it's gonna be okay. So what are the crazy things that you guys have heard about yourselves? Be it basically, or you, yeah, or where are you, Luna, fellow Malcolm X's little guy. Yeah, so please do share your stories if you want to, of the wildest things that you heard about yourselves. And for me, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm such a nice person, so this is wild, and right now I'm very detached from, I don't emotionally invest in certain things. That's so really, like, because I grew up as such a people pleaser, and this is the shadow work that I had to do now in my adult life. I grew up as a people pleaser, and so I'd feel bad for calling out somebody for treating me in a way that I would not treat myself. But right now, no, I do not feel bad. Malcolm X, I think I'll probably be called Maleva next. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, actually bad influence or whatever it is, yeah, clearly I'm doing something right. I'm proud of myself. I'm really proud of yourself. I'm really proud of you. This is showing me growth. No, this is showing me who I am. And like when the facts are almost zero level. Yeah, so happy today, guys. If you guys want to vent about anything, share stories with me of where, yeah, people thought like you have people put labels on you or attach you to behavior that you yourself don't even recognize. But if that is me, fuck, I'm proud of myself. Yeah. Happy today, African peace.